The ins and outs of gold purchasing and selling. Gold is valued universally and has been seen as a commodity for centuries. Lots of people are obsessive about gold, yet not everybody can make a smart gold trade. If you are in the market to buy gold, then keep reading for some helpful tips on how to get some good gold. Whenever you sell gold, get a solid idea of value from a variety of sources. There are actually numerous venues for selling your gold, and they also each have different target margins. Getting multiple offers lets you understand what you are able to get for your gold. Gold prices fluctuate consistently, so make sure you have up-to-date specifics of gold prices before selling something. If you decide to sell your gold, pieces with some other carat values should be weighed and valued separately. Will not sell your designer jewelry for its weight in gold, as you will lose cash. When you have an interest in stepping into the gold markets, but don't have a lot of investment capital, consider buying scrap. This can be done in tiny increments which let you build wealth slowly. Make your collection safe until you have a sufficient amount to cash in. When choosing gold, verify if the dealer supplies a return guarantee. People's tastes will vary, and also you don't be aware of whether the person will relish what you buy. It's always a great idea to be capable of getting a refund on a jewelry purchase if it doesn't work out for you personally. Recognize that any piece containing gold is marketable. It may comprise of decorative items, gold tableware, old items of jewelry, and so on. You can find something for the item when it is not made from pure gold. The items can be gold-plated or made of an alloy containing gold. You could possibly get just a little of your respective initial outlay back. Ensure you understand the spot expense of gold the time you plan to buy or sell. Some websites contain these details, and it also varies daily. When thinking about buying the jewelry, you must not have to pay more than 8% markup within the spot price. Occasionally an unethical dealer may try and overcharge their clients. When you send off gold by mail, discover how much it is to have it returned for your needs in case the offer isn't that great. Most companies offer shipping and delivery but charge more for mailing items back. Make sure that you figure out ahead of time just how much it will cost to acquire back your jewelry. If you don't want to worry about storing, shipping, and insuring your gold, consider buying gold money instead. It's just like opening a gold bank account. You are able to open a merchant account, fund it, after which determine what price you wish to pay money for gold allocation. Obviously, you won't actually have the gold. It can continue in the lender, however you can cash it in, portion it, as well as redeem it to obtain 1 kilogram bars of gold bullion. Don't ignore thrift stores and antique shops when searching for gold deals. An intelligent and educated gold shopper can certainly make some good finds. Sometimes, people sell to these sorts of stores mainly because they were unacquainted with what they had. You can employ this in the event you just know what to consider. Always look into the market price prior to attempt to sell your gold. Also, it might be good for make a price comparison and see what other people are selling similar items for. This will give you a concept of what you must get. To be able to negotiate, you need to provide a price above the amount you want. Research all that one could prior to spend money on gold. Many people are able to offer their very own insights and assure you that they're providing real investment expertise. Be skeptical for any claim to provide you rich quick inside the gold markets. You simply will not get rich quick with gold. It really is a long-term investment. Before selling jewelry as scrap, come with an appraisal done. This really is particularly true for unique pieces who have exquisite workmanship and design. You may have to pay to possess a piece appraised, but it's worth it. An appraiser could also have connections with jewelry buyers. Before selling your gold to some buyer, jeweler, or dealer, take a look around the BBB. You will realize if there was any complaints, and then read reviews from consumers who may have conducted business along with them. Be aware of whether any one of the complaints were not settled in a satisfactory way. Should they have many complaints or a lot of unresolved complaints, consider another buyer. You can purchase gold without collecting it. You are able to invest in gold mining stocks or purchase shares inside an exchange-traded fund or mutual fund that targets gold. If you want to buy gold bars or coins, consider exactly how much it will cost to store it securely. Ahead of selling gold, make sure you separate it by carat weight. The buyer will doubtless weigh your pieces before setting a price for these people. Of course, if you aren't attentive, you could see everything lumped together and weighed using the lowest carat pieces. They may rip you off. Be safe and optimize your value through all the gold separated before dealing with the consumer. Usually do not sell your gold in the interest of selling it. Gold usually increases in value, so it is something you must keep around for a while. You could benefit later on by keeping your gold. Gold prices have risen remarkably within the last decade, over 4x the price it had been just 10 years ago. Whether it's the right time to invest in gold is not certain and depends a lot on the price of the dollar. Higher gold prices go hand in hand with a weak dollar. As you may now know, gold is cherished as being a precious metal and traded as being a valuable commodity. Making an investment in it is actually simple simply because it keeps its value, and yes, it rises as time passes. Now that you possess the right information, you can begin cashing in on gold.
GVMG, Global Viral Marketing Group. Thank you for watching to the end. One-time secret offer. Free web marketing tools giveaway and more. For more details, please click the URL below.